Welcome back to Win It Wednesday. We are going to move on to our next game, and it's called Wiggle Warm Up. Please pause your video to copy down your warm up, and we will tell you the directions when you get back. All right, you are ready for Wiggle Warm Up? You are going to complete your warm up with a wiggle. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Wiggle away. Pause me now. All right, were you super wiggly with that warm up? I hope so. We're gonna check it. Wiggly too. Here we go. To wiggle, I need to put my microphone down, so I hope you can still hear me. Here we go. Number 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, I can't do it. So I'm going to regroup. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 250. Wiggly way. 1200 minus 300. You just have to count back by hundreds. 1200. 1100. 1000. 900. Wiggly, wiggly. We're going to add 4 plus 7 is 11. 3 and 1 and 2 is 6. 2 and 8 is 10. And 1, 1, 4 is 6. 6,061. Here we go again. Adding 1 and 4 is 5. 2 and 3 is 5. 8 and 1 is 9. 2 and 3 is 5. 5,955. Choose the best measurement of a 10-story building. Would we go inches? Oh, that would take forever. Centimeter? No, feet. I love it. We don't want to know how much the building weighs. We want to know the height of it. Number 4, X the hundreds. No, 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 no. Booyah! Underline the thousands. There it is. And circle the ones. Excellent. Number 5, it's the end. 60 divided by 10, or how many 10s are in 60? That would be 6. Very good for wiggly warm up. Let's move on to our next game of the day. Let me grab my microphone. It's called Place Value Matchup. You will notice I have a number. Can you read it? Let's do it together. 7,654,321. Very good. Did you notice something is wrong on our matchup today? All the place value signs are in the wrong place. Can you mentally move them to the right place? I bet you can. And for doing it correctly, you will win one of our pretend prizes. However, I got a call in and someone has already taken the 3 race cars. No longer available. I'm sorry, you should be faster. All right, here we go. Go! No, 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 no. Did you move this here to the ones place? What goes here? Tens. Hey, that one was correct. I hope you didn't move it. And that one's correct. I hope you didn't move it. What goes here? Yep, we just have to slide that one down. And then 100,000. Whoop, whoop. And Mr. Million. Let's double check. Are there ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions? Did you do it? What will be your prize? Just let me know and I will send it to you. Okay, now you're going to download the Froggy Finds Fives. And you're going to practice your place value. Color the frog in each row under the correct place value for the number 5. That's why it's called Froggy Finds Fives. Don't forget the very bottom. Then you have to put the numbers, these numbers, in order from least to greatest on the line, from least to greatest. All right, that does it for a review of place value. We're going to move on to beat the clock. Go ahead and download this one because we're going to do a couple together. It's called Having a Good Time, because we are, aren't we? Yes, we are. Let's go ahead and get started. Beat the clock. So, number 1, Bernie slept until 8:30. All right, I would use 2 different colors to keep track. So, for my first color, I'm going to put on the clock 8:30. Let's move this up. Okay, big hand's going to be, the small hand's going to be in the middle because it's already halfway around. 8:30, that's what time he was sleeping until. Then Beth slept 35 minutes longer than Bernie. So I'm going to start at 8:30 and do my flower 35 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So now I'm going to use my other color to do Beth's time, which I know the big hand's on the 5. Now here comes the tricky part. If the big hand passed the 12, my small hand will have moved to the next number. So it is 9:05. Okay? Very good. Try the next one by yourself and we'll check it together. Beth baked some cookies. She started at 9:40. It took 45 minutes for all the cookies to bake. When did she finish? So start with your first color for 9:40 and then do your flower. Pause the video. $9.40. And then 45-minute flower. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I know where my big hand goes. Now, once again, it passed the 12, so I'm going to move to the next number, which is 10. My answer is 10:25. Is that what you got? Very good. Go ahead and go on to number 3. Use your 2 colors. Bernie and Beth started at 11 o'clock. Little hand on 11, o'clock straight up. They played for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay? 1 hour would be how many minutes? 60, that's right. And 15 would be 75 minutes. That's a lot of flowers. So let's go ahead and go for it. 75. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Okay? So that takes my big hand to the 3. Okay, I'm going to check. Did I pass that 12? Yes. So I'm going to move my hour hand from 11 to 12. And that makes 12, 15. All right. That's it for wiggle warm up and match. the place value, and beat the clock. We have time for a commercial break.